being attacked by turkeys. Well, I made it so far. Fell once. Should have brought ice skates.
It was Saturday, February 7th, and Elaine decided to head up to her sister's house in Lassen County to spend the weekend. She left Hazel with me, so I decided to go back to the California Valley to try out the new gimbal and the new Mavic Mini drone. As Elaine made her way north through the snow on Donner Summit, Hazel and I made our way south through the dry landscape of Highway 198 over to Fresno County. After a 4-hour drive, Hazel and I arrived at Wallace Creek in the California Valley near the San Andreas Fault. My first objective? To try out the new gimbal. While the DJI Ronin RS2 doesn't control the functions of my camcorder, it definitely provides me the stability and clarity that I'm looking for. To see what I mean, just check out this shot from our trip to Diana's Punch Bowl in the Nevada desert back in June of 2020. While Hazel and I pranced around with the gimbal, Elaine was at her sister's house having her own adventure.
Okay. Let's go collect eggs. There's Mr. Turkey. I'm being attacked by turkeys. Eggs. Bounty. What it takes to get through. Are you kidding me? Here's the eggs. Are we friends now, Turkey? Hi, friend. That must be the one she says is going to attack my feet. Okay. That was scary.
As Elaine finished sparring with the turkey and Hazel and I finished up our gimbal trot, it was time to fly the drone. We explored Wallace Creek in the San Andreas Fault back in December, but since I had bought the drone, I was eager to return. The canyon below was part of our hike back in December where we found the dead tarantula. This 75-mile section of the San Andreas Fault looking to the south and to the north is clearly visible from 300 feet up. Meanwhile, back in Lassen County, Elaine's adventures continued on the Biz Johnson Trail.
Hobo Camp is up there. This is Hobo Camp. Actually looks kind of cool. Yeah, some poor deer didn't quite make it. Bummer. Sorry, dear. I guess I should be careful. I'm gonna slip and fall. Whoa, it is pretty slippery. Well, I made it so far. Fell once. Hand hurts. Should have brought ice skates. That's all ice, not snow. Unfortunately, there's more to go. Can't believe after all these years I've never been on this trail. But we're here today.
As Elaine's day concluded with a neighbor in distress and a beautiful view of the sunset over the snow-peaked mountains around Susanville, I brought the drone in for one final landing as Hazel and I prepared for our long drive home. With the DJI RS2 gimbal and Mavic Mini drone, we'll be able to produce much better video quality with different perspectives. Be sure to press that subscribe button to follow our upcoming adventures, and don't forget to give our videos a thumbs up. See you next time!